Do you love to read books at bedtime, but hate to disturb your family while you read at night? If yes, you have come into the right place. In the next few minutes, we will unbox and review the best rechargeable book reading light. So watch the video till the end. The name of the product is Shopify Reading Light. The product is available in Amazon. If you want to buy it, you can either search in Amazon or click on the link from the description box. The product currently ranks number 1 in book lights, which means you are buying the best reading light in the market. Alright, let's jump to the unboxing part. So this is the box that contains the product. Inside this, we get 2 highlighters free of cost. This is the user manual. Please read the instructions properly before using the light. A thank you card from Shopify team. And USB cord to recharge the reading light. And finally, the Shopify reading light. Okay, let's talk about the features now. Number 1. Touch sensor. Click on this to turn on and off the light. Number 2. 3 modes of reading light. Click on the touch sensor to switch between the 3 modes of reading light. Number 3. Increase decrease brightness. Choose the mode and long press the touch sensor to increase or decrease the brightness. Number 4. Flexible gooseneck. Hold the gooseneck and twist it to any direction you want. Number 5. Sturdy clip. This clip is rubberized and it can hold even a 500-page book. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to support us, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.